it's Renee. Today's review is on this LED shower head. Yes, you heard me right. It's an LED shower head. It cycles through the colors as you take a shower. You'll be able to see it cycle here in a minute. The water pressure is awesome. I love that the colors aren't extremely bright, but yet they're still really pretty. It has other settings and it's very easy to change. You just, well, it was easy to change when it was off. There we go. I guess it's just the two. So it's got, I think, 4 or 5 settings. So like I said, I love this shower head, and it works on, sorry, I'm going to shut off the water now. It works on water power. And that's what it looks like when it's off. It works on water power, so there's no like electricity going to it, which is kind of awesome. I will place the link below the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.